The National Weather Service in Seattle, Washington, has issued a flash flood warning for a dam break in west central King County in west central Washington, effective until 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Monday. At 11:51 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, dispatch at King County Emergency Management reported a failure at the Green River Levee, causing flash flooding near the Green River in Tukwila. Hazard: life-threatening flooding from the failure of Green River Levee. Source: dispatch at King County Emergency Management. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of areas near Tukwila along the Green River Levee. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Kent, Renton, and Tukwila. This includes the following streams and drainages: Green River, Duwamish Waterway, and Cedar River. If you are in low-lying areas along the Green River Levee, you should move to higher ground immediately. Move to higher ground now, and act quickly to protect your life.